Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Persian Vegan Cooking with me, Mohammad. So I thought today I'm going to show you something really simple, really easy, and it's a great appetizer to serve with your food. It's called Maast khiar. So in Iran, they make this with regular cow milk yogurt, but today I'm going to make it with coconut yogurt that's unsweetened. You can also use cashew yogurt or almond yogurt, whatever you prefer. So stay with me and I'll show you how to do this. So for this recipe, what you'll be needing is a little bit of cucumber. This is about maybe 2 small cucumbers or like half of a large cucumber. Half a cup of raisins, dried. I have some damask rose here, dried as well. You don't need this. It's really nice if you have it though. You can buy this again in Persian grocery stores. Or, you can also replace it with other floral smells. Maybe even rose water might be nice here. Some coconut yogurt, it's unsweetened. I also have some dried basil leaves. You can also use fresh basil leaves if you chop them properly. A little bit of salt, just to taste, and highly recommend, and you will need a grater. Okay, so first step, you need to grate all the cucumber into a bowl. Okay, so there we have it, all the cucumber ready to go. Next, I'm gonna add my yogurt. And then now I'm just mixing it all in. I'm gonna add my raisins, mix it some more. Add my crushed rose petals, just maybe even crush it a little bit more. And the basil, mix it properly. Add a little bit of salt, not too much because this is more of a sweet dish. Okay, so this is ready to go now. It's very easy. What I do is I like to decorate it with a little bit of rose petal on top. Okay everyone, as you see, it's ready to go. The best way to serve this is if you leave it in the fridge for about at least an hour, maybe if you can a bit more, just so the flavors kind of absorb into the yogurt a little bit more. Really easy, really simple, really healthy, and I hope that you enjoy it. Please make it. Thanks.